Alright, good morning riders. Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle channel. I just successfully got signed up for Yamaha demo day, and I'm at Canadian Tire Motorsport Park for the Superbike doubleheader this weekend. There's quite a few people here in line, but I managed to snag the R7. So a lot of you guys that are on the channel, you know I have the FZ6R. We've talked about this R7 before with half click up. Today is the first day I'm going to have a chance to actually ride it. So yeah, we're going to see what the twin feels like compared to my inline 4 FZ6R. I tried to get the R9 up there, but already unavailable. So yeah, first ride out here in the morning, probably right around 10 o'clock, and we're going to take her for a little demo ride. I'll let you know what she looks like, what she feels like. It's got a pretty nice dash cluster. Hopefully you can see it. It's going to be hard to see, I think. Yeah, it's going to be pretty tricky to see. But yeah, I'll let you know my thoughts on the bike, and maybe if you should buy one of these things. Stay tuned. Alright guys, just came back for a quick little demo ride on the R7. I can definitely tell you it is a lot different than the FZ6R. The first thing you're going to notice is the more aggressive riding position. Pegs are higher, bars are lower. It's definitely more aggressive. I could actually feel it in my wrists even after a short ride. Kind of a little bit of numbing, and maybe it's because of the twin too, a little bit more vibration. But it is comfortable. The seating position's not bad, but it does have that aggressive style. So a little bit different in the FZ6R there. And when it comes to motor, yeah, it's it's a twin. It's not the inline 4. It feels like it's a little bit underpowered maybe compared to the FZ6R, but I know they make about the same horsepower. So, but yeah, I mean, you can't buy a new FZ6R, right? So this is what you're looking into if you're looking at something in that horsepower range. I found the front brakes were very, very touchy. I guess they have a Brembo. Yeah, there's a Brembo master cylinder, but the standard, yeah, just basic brake kit. It kind of looks like an R6 brake actually, but the front brakes were very touchy. Be very careful if you're riding it for the first time. If you hit the brakes a little too hard, you might be surprised. But yeah, overall, not a bad little ride. First time I've had a chance to ride it. I know it's been out for a couple of years here now. And I actually have one. I have one sitting in Nova Scotia. I have to go pick it up. It's a crash bike, 2004 R7 that I picked up at the auction. So maybe we'll be fixing that up on the channel. I'm not quite sure. I don't know how much damage is done on the front end of it. But yeah, not a bad bike, guys. I mean, it's an entry level for sure, right? But it'll get you in there probably in the 8,000 price range, somewhere in there. The big question is, would I trade my FZ6R for the R7? I don't think so. I'm more of a inline 4 guy. This is a twin. I've never been big on twins. I always felt they were underpowered until you got them high up in the RPMs. So I don't know if I would trade my FZ6R for the R7. And like I say, it's aggressive. It's an aggressive riding position. So I already have a bike like that, my MV Agusta. So it's very similar. Very similar. I sit high, very down on the bars, but it is a nice looking bike. They've done a good job on the aesthetics of the bike. But yeah, that's my initial thoughts, guys. If I think of anything, I'll come back and I'll mention a couple more things in the video.